Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of Estate Planning TV. I'm your host, Christopher Small, and this is the internet's most passionate show about estate planning. Today, we're going to talk about more basics. We're still in the early episodes. We're going to still just be laying the foundation for estate planning greatness. And today, what we're going to talk about are the 4 estate planning documents that everyone should have. All right, and this is whether you're single or married, whether you have kids or not, whether you have a lot of assets or not. It doesn't matter. Everyone should have these. And contrary to popular belief, estate planning, I already talked about this in the last episode. Estate planning, if you missed it, estate planning covers really 3 areas. It just doesn't cover when you die. It covers you when you're alive, it covers you when you're sort of in between, and then it covers you when you're dead. And so these are the 4 basic documents that everybody should have. I wanted to run through them, kind of give a brief synopsis of what they are, so that you can have a better idea of what your starter estate plan should look like. So number 1, we have power of attorney. Power of attorney is that document that allows someone, a person that you name, to manage your financial affairs if you cannot. So there are a couple classic examples, right? Let's say you get Alzheimer's and you lose your cognitive functions. That's one way that the power of attorney can be helpful. The second way is if you're in a car accident and you're in a coma, right? Or if you have a catastrophic brain injury and you lose the ability to make decisions on your own, the power of attorney, the person that you name, will be able to help you with that and make those choices and do the things that you need to be done to do. They'll be able to do that for you. If you don't have that in place, then a court will choose someone to do that for you. All right, and you'll have to pay the court. You'll have to pay the person that does the power of attorney work for you. You'll have to pay everybody. It won't be somebody that you know. It's just not fun. Okay, so that's the first. Second is medical power of attorney. This person is responsible for making healthcare decisions on your behalf if you can't. It can be things like course of treatment. It can also be things like, should you be put into a nursing home? Should you be put into a skilled care facility? These are questions and decisions that if you haven't named this person, someone to make these for you, then they'll be made by somebody else. You'll probably be paying for it. Okay? That's why it's so important. That's why it doesn't matter if you have money or not. It's important to take these small steps so that you're taken care of. If you can't take care of yourself, you have people in your life that you've named to take care of you for you. Number 3 is Health Care Directive. Health Care Directive covers those instances when you are brain dead, right? No other nice way to say it. You're a vegetable. Do you want to have the plug pulled or not? Is the question that you're answering with the Health Care Directive. The point and the purpose of the Health Care Directive are simply to provide to the world your intentions for yourself if you are ever in this state. I don't know if you remember Terry Schiavo, the Terry Schiavo case, which was back in Florida. This was like in the 90s probably. She, I believe, was in a catastrophic car accident. She had a brain injury and was essentially brain dead for all intents and purposes. The doctors asked her husband if he wanted to keep her on a feeding tube or take her off. He said that she told him she wanted to be taken off. Her parents stepped in and said no. She told us that she wanted to be kept on. Okay, a litigation ensued, a big, huge court battle ensued, and it went all the way up to the Supreme Court. And it doesn't really matter what the decision was, except that now healthcare directives exist to just tell the world what you want to do and eliminate any of that confusion, eliminate heartache, eliminate doubt on behalf of your people having to make these choices. You can just tell the world what you want to do. And then the 4th thing is your will. If you have kids, your will name your guardians. Power of attorney can name your short-term guardians. But otherwise, your will, the main thing it does is tell where your assets should go. All right. If you don't have a will, then you follow the court's order of things, which eliminates completely boyfriends and girlfriends, like significant others that aren't married, friends and acquaintances, charity, probably brothers and sisters, certainly nieces and nephews and on down the line. So the will allows you to make those choices for your stuff on your own behalf. Okay, that's it. Those are the basics, right? That's what everybody needs. I think it's probably, hopefully, by the end of this video, pretty clear why you need those things, and everybody should have them. Whether you use someone like me or not, you should have them. Now, why you use someone like me is, maybe that's a topic for another video. All right. Today it's all information, no sales pitch. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, feel free to leave me a comment below. If you have questions, leave a comment, and I'd be happy to answer them. And if you want some help and want to talk some more, you can email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com, or you can call me 206-651-1512. 206, this is terrible. I just forgot my own phone number. 206-659-1512. All right? And one last thing that you'll notice, we don't cut, right? We turn the video on and we go until the end. So you get to see me on all my glory. All right, so hopefully you had a great day. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have other topics you want to know about, email me or call the same. And I'll talk to you again next time. Bye.